Hello, my name is Andira Adi Fitria, and I'm a student of Erlangga University majoring English Language and Literature. Today, I would like to deliver a book report for my factual reading assignments. The book I read is entitled Inferno. This is the book. It is written by Dan Brown, and the book I read is the first edition, so it has a hardcover. This book is the fourth book from Robert Langdon series. It is published by Doubleday on May 2013 in the United States. This is a fiction work. To be exact, it's a mystery thriller genre. This book is about a character named Robert Langdon trying to figure out the codes made by the brilliant scientist named Bertrand Zobrist. If you read this book, Bertrand Zobrist is the inventor of a virus named Inferno. It is inspired by the work of Dante. And Bertrand Zobrist made this virus in order to fix the problem of this world we're suffering from, which is overpopulation. What I really like about this book is the plot. The plot written by Dan Brown for the story is really interesting and unpredictable. So I need to read until the end of the chapter to know what's going on, and I also at the same time felt curious of what's next. And the other thing I really like about this book is Dan Brown can write really well described and detail, so I could easily imagine every single scene happened. And also, this book brings up humanity as the main set of problems. And the more value I got here is, as a human, we need to care about our environment. The other thing I don't really like about this book is the plot is quite complicated to be understood, and somehow Dan Brown wrote this book very detailed until there are some problems which aren't really important, and it is written very detailed, so it is quite time wasting. For me personally, although this book is quite interesting to read, but there are some things I don't really like about this book. The first is the words used in this book is quite difficult to understand because it is uncommonly used in our daily basis, like salvation and many more. For me personally, this book is quite difficult to be understood because of some things I've mentioned before. The poetic sentences, yet the complicated storyline, and also the Spanish language mentioned in some dialogues, and no translations, so I couldn't understand what the characters were saying. I think that's all from me. If you really like myth or thriller genre, this book is really suitable for you to read. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.